kahit capable ka na, pwede ka pa ring magduda sa sarili mo. The most interesting thing about imposter syndrome is this. Hindi siya proof na hindi ka qualified. Very often, it's simply the mind thinking too much about how other people see you. Maraming capable people ang nakaka-experience nito. And the mind is trying to protect you from embarrassment, rejection, or criticism. And it believes that if you stay hidden, you will stay safe. But safety comes with a hidden cost. It actually gives you the opposite of what it promises. The mind promises protection, but what it actually creates is restriction. Instead of protecting your growth, it slows you down. Instead of helping your confidence, it weakens it. Instead of helping you contribute more, it keeps your voice quiet. Unti-unti nitong nililimitahan ang mga kaya mong gawin.